y'all. Okay, so today is just a real quick tip, but I'm hoping it'll be really useful, especially for those of you who run small businesses or are trying to build a brand online and you're posting constantly. This is what needs to be in your captions, on all of your captions. This is kind of a minimum kind of thing, but it'll help you start to understand how to build out your captions. The first thing you always want to have is something that is catching and engaging. A first sentence that's like, pay attention, look at me, this is interesting. So something that is funny, that is thought-provoking, something that just catches people's attention. That's your first sentence. Make sure that it's short because like on Instagram where they cut it off very close, you want it to read full out so that people will actually click on the more button and look down below. The next thing is that you want to include something that's insightful, personable, or relatable. So you want to be able to tell your story and answer questions or share something as it relates to the photo that you're actually posting with the caption. Something that is interesting. Provide insider knowledge, provide history about yourself or behind the scenes things, useful tips or resources that they can use in their personal life, that your followers can use in their personal life, anything at all, but just kind of tell a story and relate it back to your product or service or whatever it is that you're doing as an influencer. The last thing that you want to do is always include a call to action. So ask them to like, comment, or do something. So if you want them to go buy a product, tell them to go buy a product. Find a cute way to do that. If you want them to comment and like and engage below, ask them a question that actually gets them to do that. Or say, don't forget to like your comment or something like that. Do a call to action at the end of each of your captions. This should help kind of give you an idea of a basic structure on what to do for captioning your social media content. I hope it's helpful. As always, reach out to me, comment below, let me know how I can support you, if there's other topics I can provide, and I love you guys lots. So talk to you soon. Bye.